Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of gourmet cuisine and fine dining. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as Wagyu, 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 Wagyu. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as Wagyu, 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 Wagyu. It refers to a high-quality Japanese beef known for its intense marbling and tender texture, prized in culinary circles worldwide. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.